Today we're playing this thing again. It's called Release Mod. And I make my first next bot. Huggy Wuggy. Yeah, they're chasing people. All we gonna do is hide in the bathroom, I see. Or hide in here. Yeah, we can hide in the bathroom. Let's go! Go! Wait! Ouch. This isn't a safe spot. There's so many of them! Oh my god, somebody's running! Somebody's freaking mother! But somebody's running at me! My mama I freaking scared myself up the ball. What There's so many I cannot control them. What the hell? Let me do this again. Oh, not you. Not you, Steve. Haha. Forget not making me. What the hell? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! The god of Ouch! See, that's almost creepy.